What's up team? Coach Josh Graves here at Fitness on Fire. You're here today for your Hyrox Roxzone Deep Dive. This is a part of a series where we're breaking down Hyrox zone by zone. And today we're talking all about the kettlebell farmer's carry. Don't get it confused. Simple doesn't always mean easy. You're gonna start by picking the kettlebells up and you're gonna carry them for 200 meters and return them to the marked area. You can put them down if you have to, but you cannot move forward while placing them on the ground. The carry has to be a farmer's carry with both arms extended by your sides. Women will carry two 16-kilogram bells, which is about 35 pounds each. Women pro and men will carry two 24-kilo bells, which is about 53 pounds each. And men's pro will carry two 32 kg bells, which is about 71 pounds each hand. Look, the more you bleed at practice, the less you bleed on the battlefield. You've got to train your grip up. Opt for free weights training at the gym. Do things like suitcase lunges and grip exercises. Make carries a strong part of your fitness regimen. You can probably finish your workouts with carries all the time. When you practice your carries as strict as possible. On race day, you could try to run or move more quickly as long as you can protect your body, but you want to practice strictly. Play with different grips to see what you like the most. If you're used to carries, the station's gonna feel like a rest break. But if your nervous system isn't really used to carries, strangely, the carries will really spike your heart rate. All right, I hope you're starting to get your legs back because we're heading to the lunges. 2 more Roxzones left. You can do this. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our gym is also located in Irvine, California. Come stop by. We're always training for the next Hyrox. Check out the show notes below for our latest offers. We'll see you there.